Hello everyone. So today this video I'm going to show you as a beginner how to approach Garba Pindasana. Remember, this practice you do when you do your self practice, not with a class with a teacher, because in the class have a flow. So this practice you can do by yourself and always take time whenever you feel posture is tough. Now after doing all postures, Marichasana, Janusirasana, all posture, when you reach in this posture Garba Pindasana, how to approach. The first, of course, is the Lotus Pose. So think of your outer edges of your feet coming top of the hip joint, like this. Okay, this is the first step, of course. Now, you might feel it's difficult to place your hands inside, like so. So, in the beginning, what you do, you take water, okay, and put around your arms, like so. Even you can put around your thighs. So that's why it's take little time in the class. You're not going to do like this, but when you're learning by yourself, always do like this is a good idea. Then lifting up and move inside downward. It will be a little easy to go. So if you cannot reach to the elbow, that's fine. Just go as hard you can. Okay. Then here again down this side, like this. Maybe some of you find in the beginning this one, maybe you feel it's quite tough, just stay here, that's fine. Okay, then slowly it takes time to move the hands more inside, so be a little careful and then stay here. Then slowly your hands coming up, then you bring your hand to your chin and compact yourself. So that's the first step. And next one is rolling back in front. So I'm going to show you when you're rolling. So rolling clockwise, okay, this side to this side. But some of the people they do this side, but it doesn't matter. If your teacher say clockwise, so you go with the clockwise. Now here some people they go, so my spine, okay, this is my right, this is my left. So they go through the right, exhale, and they turn, and from the left they come up. So in this way they just move around. So exhale right and inhale left and come up, and this way they make the circle. Now for me naturally it goes from the left to right, so the same direction. Now see, I'm going from the left and turning to the right, left and right, left, right. But just remember, exhale is back and inhale up. Now once you understand how to turn, how to roll, then after Garba Pindasana you can do this rolling. Next one is a Kukkutasana. So Kukkutasana, after doing Garba Pindasana, this posture, see the hands position, turn your palms maybe slightly out, and in the beginning just you can see my knees is still touching down, and just shift the weight. Okay, do not pressure too much on your wrist, sometimes you can fall over and it's not good. So in the beginning just place your hand, turn your palms slightly out, and just lean forward and see, pushing the knee down. First just learn how to shift the weight. Once you have good understanding, then you can lift up and drishti in your nose. So when you approach this posture, go step by step. It's actually quite difficult posture. If you push or pull too much, you might get hurt in the wrist or the shoulder. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Namaste.